So after yesterday's class, you should have been able to write your problem statement and 3 different perspectives of your problem. Since you already have a lot of information on your problem already, thanks to the teammate that did all the research on causes and effects, we will be focusing mostly on finding solutions. Identifying problems is the easy part. Trying to find good solutions, now that's a bit tricky. Let's see how our team is handling it. Hey, good morning guys. How's it going?
Good morning, boss.
I just looked over your problem statement and your 3 perspectives, and everything looks really good so far. Looks right on track. Have you started thinking about possible solutions?
Yeah, we were just about to start working on that. I thought about it last night and it's really hard to come up with solutions.
Well, don't get frustrated. Remember that you're not going to just magically find a solution to this very difficult problem. Very rarely are solutions one quick fix. Your job here is really to help lessen the problem. You're trying to help solve the problem. Do you have any ideas so far?
Yeah, I was thinking like more laws.
Yeah, but like the problem with more laws is that we have a problem here in Turkey of police actually enforcing the laws that we already have. People with money just pay off the police, making the laws pointless.
Yeah, there's often a problem with trying to find government intervention to help solve these problems. Sometimes it can help, but oftentimes individual average people can really make a great difference in solving some of these problems.
Oh, I got it. How about we make the police stop cars randomly and do like a check to see if people have been drinking?
But don't they already do that? Every day after like 11 p.m. the police stand there, stop people, do a breathalyzer test, see if they've been drinking alcohol.
Yeah.
But everybody who drinks knows that that's when they stop.
Shoot, it was a great idea though.
It's a solution that already exists. So you really need to start thinking about solutions that are new, unique, original. Amy?
Okay, I think I have an idea. Why don't we sit down and see what are the things that people are already doing, what's already been done, and then we can see, okay, this works, this doesn't work, and maybe it gives us a good place to start.
Excellent. I think that's a really good place to start. See what has already been done, what has worked, and what hasn't worked, and kind of analyze why something has worked and why something hasn't. Good place to start.
Right. Let's do it, yeah.
Wow, looks like our team is asking some pretty interesting questions. Maybe they'll be learning something important from today's lesson. In the next lesson, we'll be coming up with some ways to decrease our individual energy consumption and then analyzing your suggested solutions. Then you can start focusing on your own problems. A good place to start will be to look at what has already been done to solve this problem. Remember, you're probably not the first ones to try and solve the problem. What has worked and what hasn't are good questions to ask. Don't forget that you should be starting up your website. Don't leave that to the last minute. You've got what you need, at least, for the problem page. I'd start writing it as soon as possible, as there's a lot that is involved there. Here are some links that will help you get started. For today's lesson, you need to download Google Drive on your device. For the rest of this semester, you and your team will keep everything that you do in a team folder. This way, you'll have everything that you need and you'll be completely organized. Everything that you do will be kept in one folder. It's important that everyone in your team has access to the folder, including your teacher. You'll be setting up the folder in class, but make sure that you have downloaded the app on your phone before you come to class.